What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are back at it. We are now installing the VMP supercharger. If you caught my last video where we took the Whipple off, which is right here, now this is what I'm planning on putting on my car. Like I said in the last video, it's got 1,500 miles on it. He is switching to the VMP. Is he crazy? I don't know. But anyway, we've got the VMP. He's planning on running some pretty big power in this thing.
Yes.
Yes, he's got his shirt on today, guys. Last video, I messed with him a little bit. He didn't have on his shirt, but today he's got on his shirt. But right now we are working on the fuel system, getting everything figured out for it. Now, like I said in the last video, I will do a detailed install on the fuel system when I do my car on the Ford Innovations fuel system. Right now we're getting everything ready, so let's get to it. right, as you can see, we got the VMP installed, guys. Now, one thing that is different from the last VMP that I installed, and I'll put a little card up right there so you can go watch that, is that this has the upgraded VMP ice tank, in which I highly recommend if you're going to get a VMP installed, spend the extra coin, get the ice tank, 100%. If you watch the last video, there's a little reservoir that sits right here, and these two lines right here merge into one, go into it, and then you got your outlet. Your outlet is down there, you can't really see it. However, this right here, you have each outlet from the supercharger has its own inlet going into the ice tank. And I really like that one. It has a big mouth on it, so you can fill it up with ice at the track. And one cool thing about it is that right back here, you can't see it, but there is a hose that comes down into here, and it has a quick drain on it that you can take off, and you can drain it, and it drains it about down to here. Then you can fill it with ice. So when you're at the drag strip, it's all set up for you to be able to take out there and have a lot of fun. But highly recommend if you're getting a VMP to get that upgrade, 100%. Also, guys, he has a 163 monoblade throttle body, the 72mm pulley, which he is running with E85. We got the 4 Innovations fuel system, which I'm a big fan of. Now, I will do a complete video when I do the Whipple on my car and put the 4 Innovations fuel system in. You do have to make your own lines, but it's extremely easy. But the good thing about making your own lines is you have a little bit of freedom of how to route stuff. Now, one thing I will tell you is you have to, your ins and your outs and your regulators and all that have to stay the same, but how you route the hoses is a lot up to you, which is very nice with the 4 Innovations fuel system. So we'll be covering that later on. We got all the pressure set and everything's good to go. We have gotten the tuner,
Rob Shoemaker.
we have gotten him a log, a idle step rev log, but we have to wait to hear back before he can go wide on the throttle. So hopefully we'll be able to bring you some of that content in the future. So stay tuned for that, guys. But cannot wait to see what this thing does. And I have not got to experience the VMP at all. I've been in a few Whipple cars. I've never been in a high horsepower VMP car, so I'm highly looking forward to seeing what it's all about. But we do have to get a passenger seat in it because he doesn't have a passenger seat in it right now. He's race car life.
I know. Oh yeah.
Yeah, she has a pretty good whine to her.
Oh yeah.
Can't hear it back here for the exhaust.
No.
But up here you can hear it.
Oh yeah.
Man.
I'm thinking about doing that the GT 500 hood and taking out the rivets and putting the plexiglass so you can see.
Yeah.
They'll have the vents inside too. You can hear it.
All right, guys. So look at that. That looks so good. That does look good, guys. Check that out. So what we done for right now, he's waiting on his Mickey Thompson ET3Rs. I took my old ones off my race stars and put them on his wheels. But we got them on there, and just wanted to show you guys that really quick. So yeah. All right, we'll see you in the next one, guys.